Alright, so I'm in Poland, in Olsztyn. It's after 5 o'clock right now almost, and it's a little chillier than Florida down in Miami, but it is pretty chill and nice. We're next to a church here. Hey, what's up? So I'm in Olsztyn, Poland right now. This is the old town area. I'm heading towards one of the castles here, just to kind of check it out. And it's a little bit chilly out today, a little colder than what I anticipated, but it's kind of neat to come back here and just gotta see how things changed. But yeah.